coffee cake is ready to steal the show. Just look at that gorgeous strudel. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous topping with the raspberry swirls peeking through. A raspberry coffee cake is ready to steal the show. If you want to learn how to make this, keep watching. Hello, lovely bakers. Today we're diving into the world of sweet treats with a quick and delicious raspberry coffee cake inspired by the book, what is it? Life is What You Bake It by Valerie Lomas. This cake is sure to become your new favorite, as it is mine. If you want the recipe, it's going to be listed in the description box. So, let's go. Now, let's get started with our almond streusel. Going into the fridge to chill a little bit. Now, onto the main event, the cake. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your pan, your 8-inch pan, and also put the rack in the middle in the oven. Don't forget the star of the show, the raspberry. I am going to be using spreadable raspberry. You can use fresh raspberry if you wish. I softened it by using hand mixer on it. That way it's a little more spreadable. is the streusel that we put in the fridge to cool. Put it in the fridge, it helps it to harden a little bit and you can break it apart more easily. So you spend a little more time breaking it into smaller chunks. You're gonna bake it for about 45 to 55 minutes until this streusel turns golden brown. So, while the cake bakes to perfection, why not brew a pot of your favorite tea or coffee alongside with it? I love Earl Grey tea. After all, nothing beats a cozy combination of cake and tea. I think the cake is ready. Voila! Our raspberry coffee cake is ready to steal the show. Just look at that gorgeous strudel. Look at that! Look at that gorgeous topping with the raspberry swirls peeking through. It looks delicious and I have not yet tasted it. Of course, the true test is in the tasting. How about we taste this? Top is crunchy. Go together, so delicious. Normally I'll take this in the morning with the tea, and this it's filling as well. Very delicious. For more recipe, don't forget the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. I will be delighted.